Hi guys, this is Brooke Sides from B-Side Styling. So I'm here to let you know that I do have a Facebook group called the Savvy Stylist Opportunity. I'm going to share with you some information that I have on there here for you. So in my last video, I talked roughly about the compensation tiers for earning on general sales, and I talked about the $99 to become a stylist. Well, I would recommend these quick start ways to initiate your inventory of your samples. So as a Savvy stylist, we do not purchase like an inventory to have on hand. We do not ship our clothes. So this has been a big change for me. I used to have a really large inventory back in the day of 1,200 pieces that I shipped myself and invoiced all the things. Now Savvy is drop ship, so my customers purchase from Savvy and it ships directly from the warehouse, and I'm paid my commissions on those sales. But I myself need to have the awesome styles to wear and share it with other people so that they can see and learn about the clothes, and then that's how I sell. So I purchase for myself in samples of items I love, like this really cute McQueen top here. It has this fun bell sleeve and it feels very Princess Bride is what I call this. It's one of my favorites in a beautiful blush tone. I love neutrals, so if you've shopped with me, you know this. So I purchase samples of items that I love, that I feel amazing in, and I share them with my customers. So when you decide to join Savvy for that $99 technology onboarding, you have the option of opting into 3 packages. So in our first package is a basic package. It's $249. You get to choose between our everyday line or our fit line. And in that package, you get the Savvypreneur technology setup. You get the Savvy shopping app automatically for your customers, access to your back office, and then we get swag. So we get a water bottle, a hat, and a shirt so we can brand the company that we're representing. And then you get 4 curated pieces from the Everyday collection. So these are 4 of our top selling beautiful pieces that you will then have this sample to wear it, share it with your customers, and to start selling from those samples. So you also get, amazingly, 4 $25 share codes for new customers. Okay. So let's say you had more than $249 to invest at first and you wanted more clothes for yourself. I have an even better deal for you with the $499, and this is what I opted in with. So you get the automatic setup, the shopping app, you're getting access to your back office, you're getting the same swag, water bottle, shirt, hat. You're getting 15 curated pieces to start your wardrobe to share with your customers. 15 pieces for yourself. Okay, and you can choose between everyday collection. There's different packages. I'm going to go over the quantities for fit. There are 3 Savvy gift bags that you're getting that are going to have little bonuses that you can share with your customers, which is a huge, fun giveaway. And then 8 share codes, not 4, 8. That's 8 customers that are getting $25 off their first purchase. Huge way, you guys, to launch your business starting out with that $499 investment. So let's say you have more than that and you want more clothes to start your launch, to build your samples and make your closet look fantastic. I've got super value for you. This is $999. Wait until y'all hear what you get. So everything I told you about was setup and the app and the back office, the 15 curated pieces from the Everyday collection. Bonus, $600 credit to buy whatever you want from Savvy's site. $600 credit, you guys. And this is at stylist prices, so it's less than retail. And then the 3 Savvy gift bags and 20 share codes. Holy bananas. I wish this was an option when I joined because I totally would have done it. 20 share codes, that's 20 customers saving $25. You are automatically going to have $25 to give 20 people. 20 customers buying more than $25 worth, you have scored 15 gorgeous pieces and $600 to spend on additional pieces and gift bags. I want to join again so I can get all of this. The value estimate on this package is $1,700 and you're paying $999. So let's look back. The $499 value package, that value is $885 amazing. And your basic $249 package, you are getting a value of $300. Every package you're getting extra, but holy cow, I have to censor myself with my words because $999 and getting $1,700 worth of amazing stuff is mind-blowing awesome. You guys, it's so fantastic. Perfect way to launch your business. This is what I would do. All right, so next, let's say you don't want to do every day. Let's say you're like me and you love the athleisure, because I love it too. I sell all 3 brands. But if you are super into fitness, or you know you want to join to get your athleisure clothes for yourself at a discount, you might want to do a fit package. So the fit packages are gonna have different items in them because the fit items are a higher price point. They're super high quality. And that's because these fabrics that have this like multiple waist stretches and are moisture wicking cost more money. So your basic package for fit is still going to be $249. You get different stuff. You still get the setup, the app, the back office, the swag. You're getting a full curated outfit from the fit collection, so a top and bottom. And you're getting the 4 $25 share codes. This is valued at $300. So that's just the top and bottom curated. Let's say you have more money to invest in the launch of your fit business. You're gonna go with this core package, $499. Everything I've already mentioned that you get. 10 curated pieces, you guys, from the fit collection. That is amazing. 3 gift bags and 8 share codes. That's $200 of $25 share codes. Okay, 8 $25 share codes you're sharing with your customers. This package is valued over $885. You're starting your fit business with 10 amazing pieces. You're getting all these awesome goodies and giveaways for your friends to launch your business. So let's say you have more to invest and you're gonna go all in with $999. Here's what the Core Plus has for you. Prepare yourselves, mind blown here. Everything with the setup, the technology, right? The 10 curated pieces from the fit collection, $600 shopping credit to buy whatever you want, and then the 3 gift bags and 20 $25 share codes. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is valued at over $1,700. There's so much they're giving you at a huge savings to help you start out on the right foot and launch your business successfully. Hands down, no doubt about it, if this was an option when I joined, I would have done $999. I would have all the things, I would have a full wardrobe to launch my business. So super successful start for you if you're interested in joining under an everyday or a fit pack. Also, if you don't have as much money right at the start to invest in these, there's the option I told you before of wear and share, where you pay $99 a month, you get $110 in credits. You're spending that at the discounted rate that the stylists buy clothes at, and you're getting 4 share codes. But hands down, if you can wait and join when you have this money to do a basic, a value, or super value package, you're getting so much value for the amount of money you are investing with all these incentives for your new customers and for your brand to be built with fantastic clothes. All right, you guys, next video is going to be about team structure. Make sure you check that out so you can learn about all the additional ways to earn income with Savvi.